Now let's look at finally the diamond core drilling. The diamond core drilling. It uses a rotating drill bit impregnated with diamonds to cut a cylindrical core of rock. So this is what we call core the core samples. I think I should give you diagrams of it. Uh, the core is retrieved to the surface for logging, sampling, and analysis. In this case, we are not receiving the samples as fragmented material, but we are making cylindrical core. So the bit cuts the samples in cylindrical cores and to give us a better sampling material than the rest of the drilling methods compared to RC, compared to RAP, that is rotary air blast, and compared to other. This the diamond core drilling is the one that gives us the better samples in terms of exploration drilling. Okay, because the samples come in raw, so we can see the lithology of the ground formation. We can see the rock structure clear when the sample, because the samples are solid. You can see it clearly on the sample. So where the fractures are, you can see them. Okay, you can see where the fractures are located. You can also see the nature, the type, the rock type, how it has been well arranged, structured in the formation. You can see the mineralization tool, you can easily test it whilst the lab to test for the presence of any mineral within the rock. It's best for obtaining high quality representative samples of the subsurface geology. When you want to find more details of the samples, you have to go for the core drilling method, suitable for detailed geological mapping, resource estimation, and metallurgical testing. So this is how a diamond core drilling bit look like. This is how it look like. So we can see there is a hollow in the bit. So this is where the core is received, is retrieved. So whilst it's cutting the rock, the core passes through this hollow. Goes continuously. Advantages. It provides the highest quality samples, minimal contamination, allows for detailed geological logging and structural analysis. It's essential for resource estimation and metallurgical testing. Okay. Limitation. Slowest penetration rate, and the reason is that you want to avoid the breakage of the core samples. Okay, so that is why it has a slow penetration rate, and we want to have the core samples intact as at the best rate, like it shouldn't be tampered with. So the best form of core samples we will get actually will help the geologists in their analysis. Okay. So most expensive drilling method, and although it's the slowest, it has the slowest penetration rate, but it's the most expensive drilling method. It requires experienced operators in this kind of drilling. Core loss can be an issue in fractured or unconsolidated ground. Core loss is when the core begins to break at it begins to break easily. When the core breaks easily, we cannot actually do a better analysis. Common applications. Detailed geological mapping. When you want to do detailed geological mapping, you can use the core the drill core method. And we can also use it for resource estimation, metallurgical testing, geotechnical investigations, and also hydrogeological studies. So these are issues that we can use the diamond core drilling to do.